Now students, today we will start with some more problems of this miscellaneous exercise of chapter number 9. Now, in this lecture I will start with question number 5. What is the question number 5? Find the sum of integers from 1 to 100. 1 to 100 तक आपने उन सब इंटीजर्स का सम लिखना है विच आर डिविजिबल बाय 2 और 5, जो 2 और 5 से डिवाइड करते हैं। तो पहले मैं इसकी सीरीज बनाऊंगा। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम राइटिंग द टर्म्स व्हिच आर डिविजिबल बाय 2, दैट इज 2, 4, 6 and plus plus up to 100. Then write those which are divisible by 5, that is 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus plus up to 100, and then subtract those which are divisible by both means 2 and 5. So these are, this means these are the numbers divisible by 2, these are divisible by 5, and these are which are divisible by both 2 and 5। तो वो मैंने यहाँ से माइनस कर दिए। अब मैं इधर से 2 कॉमन लेता हूँ, ये बन जाएगा 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus plus so on 50, and plus of 5 taken outside, this becomes 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus plus up to 20, and minus 10 taken outside, this becomes 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus plus up to 10. Now solving this by getting the formula of sum, the sum of 50 terms, you know that 50 by 2, that is 25, and 1 plus of 50 a plus l, and 5 outside, that is n by 2 means 20 by 2, that is 10, and 1 plus 20 a plus l, and minus 10 outside, that is 10 by 2 means 5, then 1 plus of 10. This one simplification gives you 50 into 51 plus 50 into 21 and minus of 50 into 11. Now students, this becomes 5, 2, 5, 5, 0, and plus of 1, 0, 5, 0, and minus of 5, 5, 0. Therefore, this will be written as 3050, because this becomes 2000 plus this, so 3250 is the sum of all integers between 1 to 100 which are divisible by 2 or 5. Okay, I think it is clear. First of all मैंने क्या करा, पहले terms लिख ली which are divisible by 2 and 5, then divisible by 5 and 2, then subtract those which are divisible by both, जो common terms हमको minus कर दिया और उसका sum का formula लगा के वैल्यू निकाल दी। Okay, now after this question number 5 I will start the another question, that is question number 7. In question number 7, if f is the function satisfying the condition, the conditions are given as fx is equal to the function x plus y, the function satisfy the condition this, and what are these x and y, where x y belongs to the natural numbers, and another is summation x varies from 1 to n, sigma, that is summation sigma of this, total of this is equal to 120, that is the sum of all these terms is equal to 120, and f of 1 is given. What is f of 1? The value of f of 1 is 3. How to solve this? The sum of the terms from x1 to this means f of 1 plus second term when x is 3, third term, and their sum plus so on is how much, that is equal to 120 up to n terms. The sum plus up to n terms. This sum is given as 120. The summation of all the terms varies from x varies from 1 to n this, and f1 is given as 3, so f2 becomes 9, 3 square, and this becomes 27, and plus plus so on up to n terms, and this total is equal to 120. Now this becomes a GP, and in this GP a is 3, the first term ratio is 3, applying the formula of Sn, that is Sn is equal to 120 is equal to a r power n minus 1 upon r minus 1, that is 2. Now this becomes 240 is equal to, I am writing this here, that is 240 is equal to 3 into 3 power n minus 1. Now this 3 to this becomes 80 and plus 1, that is equal to 81. That implies 3 power 4 is equal to 3 power n. That implies n is equal to 4. The meaning of this, if we add the first four terms, the sum will be 120. Okay, so this is clear. Now after this I will start with the another problem, that is the question number 9. The first term of GP is A. In question number 9, what is given? The first term GPA is given as 1 and the sum of third and fifth term is 90. The third term and fifth term sum is 90. तो बोलता है find the value of, find the common ratio, means you have to find its R. What is the meaning of this? That is T3 means AR square and this is equal to AR4 is equal to 90. And students, you see A is given, so this can be written as R4 plus R square minus 90 is equal to 0. You have to solve it for R to get the value of R. This can be written as R4 plus of 10R square and minus of 9R square minus 90 is equal to 0. By taking R square common, this becomes R square plus 10 and minus 9 taken outside, that is R square plus 10 is equal to 0, or the factor of this becomes R square plus 10 and R square minus 9 is equal to 0. If R square plus 10 is equal to 0, not possible, and therefore this not possible, then R square this is equal to 0, and what is R is equal to plus minus 3, so this is the value of R. This is not equal to 0 because if I solve this, to R square becomes minus 10 and R becomes plus minus of minus 10 under root, that is the imaginary number, so therefore this is not possible. The value of R is plus minus of 3. So I think it is clear, the question number 9. Now after this question number 9, I will start the another, that is question number 10. In the question number 10, the sum of the three numbers in GP. The sum of the three number in GP is 56 and the next is that if we subtract 1, 7 and 21. अगर हम इनसे इन थ्री नंबर से 1, 7 and 21 सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं in order, then we obtain AP, find the numbers. तो आपको ये नंबर फाइंड आउट करने हैं. तो देखिए कैसे बेटा. Let the three number in GP are A and AR square, and what is the sum? That is equal to 56. The sum of the three numbers in GP is 56 and give it number 1. And if we subtract 7 and 1, अगर मैं 1 subtract करता हूँ तो this will become as this AR square minus 7 and minus of 21. If I subtract 1, 7 and 21 from these numbers, they becomes in AP. So that is AR, this is equal to sum of the terms plus of AR square minus of 21. As you know, if the three numbers ABC in AP, that means the twice of this is equal to sum of other two. Okay, so therefore they are in AP. If we subtract 1, 7, 21 from these numbers, that becomes AP. So therefore twice of this. Now solving this, we get AR minus of 14 is equal to A plus AR square and minus of 22. Be arranging the terms. After rearrangement, this can be written as AR square minus of 2AR and is equal to, that is AR minus of 2AR is equal to 8 and give it number 2. Now our problem is to solve these two equations, get the value of R and substituting the values A and R. After getting A and R, substitute the values and get the numbers. So therefore अब मैं इनको सॉल्व करूंगा. नंबर 1 और इसको इन दोनों में अगर देखें तो AR स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस है, A प्लस माइनस, तो मैं क्या करूंगा सब्ट्रैक्टिंग. तो लिखो बेटा that is second minus first. मैं second में से first को subtract करता हूँ तो this becomes A plus AR square minus 2AR in the left hand side minus A minus AR and minus of AR square is equal to subtracting second from first, तो second को first से subtract कर रहा हूँ, तो this becomes 8 minus of 56, isn't? Now this A to A cancel, AR cancel, now becomes minus 3 AR is equal to minus 48, so therefore what is AR? So what is A? That is equal to 16 by R. आपको A की वैल्यू मिल गई है। अब मैं इस A की वैल्यू को अरेंज करूंगा, तो कैसे देखें? After getting this A, मैं इस इक्वेशन में यूज करता हूं, that is 16 by R plus 16 by R into R plus 16 by R into R square is equal to 56. मैंने इसको नंबर 1 में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया है, तो this becomes 16 by R plus 16 plus of 16R is equal to 56. Now taking LCM, this can be as 16R square is equal to 56 of R. See, just substituting the values and rearranging the terms, we get the result is. Now after that, on simplification of this can be written as, I am writing this here, A मेरे पास मिल गया है, इसको मैं सिंप्लीफाई कर रहा हूं, तो चेक करें, देखो कैसे, 16R square and minus of 40R and plus of 16 is equal to 0. By taking 8 outside common, so 2R square minus 5R plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. Now you have to solve this quadratic equation properly. 2R square minus 5R plus 2 to make the factors. To write the factor of this, and we get the values of R, that is 1 by 2 and 2. The values of R will be 1 by 2 and 2. You can write this factor. Now after getting R is equal to 1 by 2, when R is equal to 1 by 2, what is A? This A becomes 32. Okay, R is 1 by 2, A is 32, so numbers are 32, A. I am writing here the numbers. The first number is A, that is 32. Second is AR, that is 16, and third is AR square, that is 8. So these are the numbers, first three numbers, that is 32, 16 and 8. And in second case, when R is equal to 2, the second case is R is equal to 2, that implies A is equal to 8. Therefore number will be 8, 16 and 32. So these are the numbers. Okay, I think you can write the factor of this. The factor of this that is minus 4 and minus R, then getting the value of R and solve it properly. Okay, so this all about Tuesday lecture.